You know, this game's gonna give me fucking anal tears, dude, like, right now. Like, you have no fucking clue.
Oh,
I'm about to fucking kill myself. Is loot just insanely fucking aggravating to get or something? Because, like, I'm not finding shit. There's absolutely nothing where I am.
oh, that's
Yo,
okay.
where's the good loot? Hmm. Fucking triggered.
It's totally random where the loot is.
Maybe there's some loot in this house. Oh shit, yeah. What's that? Oh, what the fuck? I can
I
see something on the
spawned
ground.
in
Never
as a
want me to pick it up.
bird.
That's bullshit.
I just spawned in as a bird.
Okay, no, now there's a fat stack of stuff on the ground. Oh. Explosive satchel. Oh boy. Am I gonna have fun with this? Huh.